Hi everyone, welcome back. I got plant mail. I'm so excited. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I started opening them already. Yes, I started without you, but I didn't take them out yet. I'm like, let me show you what I got. This one is, so these are potatoes from Haas. I ordered these seed potatoes from Haas. The first one I got is, ooh, this one is the Purple Majesty. Oh, this is 5 pounds. That's a big bag. You have, ooh, that's a lot in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You probably got more than 10 in that. And the next one is Norland Red. So I'm gonna open them some more so you can see them individually. Ooh. So I got me some seed potatoes. So you know what I'm doing this weekend is planting up my potatoes. So let me open this one. This one is the Yukon Gold. All right, this is Yukon Gold. So I'm gonna bring it a bit closer so you can see it. Look like they just came out the soil, like just how I love it. Look at that. This is the Yukon Gold. So it's a good size, nice size. And then this one is the Purple Majesty. No, I never had this one before, so I want to try it. You know what I want, and I wish I had known about purple potatoes before I went to Japan, so I could have gotten some Okinawa purple potatoes. So you can't really see it. It just looks black on the outside, but when you cut into it, it's purple. So they're pretty good size. And then this one is the Red Norland. This one's actually a bit bigger. These are pretty good sized potatoes, y'all. See? So that's the Red Norland. Bring it closer so you can get a better view. So this one is the Red Norland. Got a little red to the skin. That's the one you can use for roasting and baking stuff. And this one, ooh, I'm excited for the purple one. And this one, of course, is our Yukon Gold. So that's our 3 bags of potatoes we got. All right, so next up, we're going to move to this box right here. Let me put you down so I can have my hands. And I ordered this. These are 2 boxes right here, that one and that one. I ordered those from Southern Living. All right, let me try and get this open up. So I was outside redoing my front porch, because you know I do a theme porch. So I was trying to redo it for it to be Valentine's Day. There's an easier way to open these boxes and I never figured it out, but we're just gonna cut it. But I've seen someone show a trick on how to open it before. But anyway, so I'm doing my Valentine porch decor. And it's cold outside, y'all. It's gonna be in the 20s tomorrow. So I don't know. I had lots of plans for this weekend on what to plant. In fact, I have a whole bunch of seeds I need to get started. So maybe I should get started with those since I'm going to be stuck indoors anyways. I appreciate the proper packaging, but geez, I can't even get in. Okay. It's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Woman versus box. Box is winning. Listen, I'm trying not to damage my plant, okay? So I'm trying to find the easiest way out. Okay. Ta-da! See if I can get her out in this little tiny opening right here. Oh, look, this is the Hello Darling Blueberry. So it's a different variety from the ones I have. So these 2 are going to be together. This one is also Oh, look how pretty. It says this plant is deciduous or semi-evergreen. This means, okay. So yeah, it got flowers on it already. Thank you for sending me with flowers on it. Oh. So she's packaged very nicely. Look at that. Oh, she's also hydrated. And they have the little plastic to keep it, to prevent it from drying out. So that's good. Oh, looky. Look at my plant baby. So we got 2 blueberry bushes. 2 more blueberry bushes. This is it. All right, so we got 2 blueberry bushes. This one, let's open this one. This one I haven't opened yet. Oh, my world. Are we going to fight with this one? Okay, this one looks easier to open. Okay, ooh, thank goodness. And these should be smaller. This is not a blueberry. This is a, ooh, y'all are real tiny. I knew y'all was small, but y'all in a big, big box. Can I take it out from here? Ah, maybe. Come on out, baby girl. Come on out. Let me show you your new home. I wish I remember the video I saw for quick ways to take out the plants. It sure would have been very helpful right now. So this is a, was this a blackberry or a raspberry? See, I be ordering stuff. I'm gonna remember what I ordered. What's this? I think it's a blackberry. Thornless blackberry Navajo. So we got a blackberry. 2 tiny blackberries. And she's thornless. Listen, I already have to fight with my roses enough already. Trying to take care of them. They're high maintenance stuff and they keep poking me. So that's it for me and thorned plants. Oh my goodness. Come on out. They package it really good, man. No fancy cutting for you. Break you out. Rip you out the package. Ooh, they got me a blackberry pie recipe. Ooh, we're gonna hold on to that. Ta-da! Oof. All right, so here go the blackberries. What's this on the stem? I think that's some new growth coming in, guys, along the stem. That's good. These are in great condition. Thank you so much, Southern Living. You guys did a good job. Look at that. So I purchased these online, like I said, and they look pretty good. The flowers are already coming up on the blueberries. Okay, and they did a good job with the packaging. And because I bought 4, I ended up getting free shipping. You know, you can catch me and get me to buy more stuff. I went for the for the blueberry, and I'm like, blackberries for Florida? Okay. And these are some, this is an orange tree that I'm holding inside because it's going to be cold tonight. So I'm keeping her indoors so she is safe from the frost. Whenever it's below 30 degrees, they don't do too well in the frost. This one is the Hamlin orange. I was looking for the tag. And look at my passion fruit. She is definitely not a cold baby. She wants to be in the warmth. Look at that. We got a flower coming in. This is my passion fruit. And this one is a lemon. Which lemon was this one? This is not a Mayo lemon. These are some big lemons. I forgot the name of it. Let's see. Ponderosa lemon. Those are bigger lemons. So those are going to be on the 2 pots on the front porch. Let me show you real quickly. And I'm just now taking down my Christmas decorations from the porch because I'm in the process of redoing it and making it a Valentine's instead of Christmas. These are some additional plants. So we're going with a red and purple theme to what we have currently, as well as the lemon coral sedum. So that's what we're going to be adding to the porch. We're not finished yet. Here's, I need to come in and weed and mulch. So we also have some blues going on, but I switched it out to the pink green stalk. I have some cabbages here and some garlic, yep, in the front garden, and some carrots on the bottom. These are all, the only thing I don't like, I gotta come in and clean it up, but the lighter colors, if you don't wash it right away, it stains, like, not stains, but it stays on there. You gotta clean it off. And I was hoping with the rain it would wash it off, but it did not. So these are the containers here. I'm taking the evergreens out, and I'm gonna put the orange tree in there. And here go the other pink green stalk. I am going, they have carrots in the bottom, and then these are garlic up top here. So I'm thinking of putting this is a hydrangea, a limelight hydrangea right there. It has a proven winner's limelight hydrangea. I'm intentionally put it in the back because this gets full sun. So I'm trying to put stuff in front of it to hopefully let it get some blooms this year. So right here, I'm thinking of doing all the blueberry and blackberry bushes. And I might move this green stalk here. And I have some seeds in here for some, what was it? Is it wildflower or cornflower? I have a lot of random seeds in here. So springtime come up, I'm going to have blooms of things I forgot that I planted. So here's what we got so far. We're not yet done with our Valentine theme porch. We're still working on it. It's giving more red than pink. I need some pinks in the sitting area itself, so I'm going to work on that. And I might add some reds to the actual vertical planters itself. But how cute. And the new flowers I got, they're going to be going in here. I think I'm going to put the lemon coral seed back there. And I want to do like a red begonia in front of it. I think that's going to be pretty. But looky. So that's what we've been working on. We've been doing a little each evening because I work and I don't have that much time. So we have to do what we do right now. The sun is going down. Like, look at that. The sun is gone. So by the time I get home from work, guys, I have no daylight. So after March, I'll get more daylight and hopefully I'll be able to come out in the garden more. This, oh my gosh, this daisy, I think it's a Athena daisy. It survives the entire winter, guys. I got it last fall. Is this, it has went an entire 2025. It went from the fall to fall. So I think this is the second winter it's surviving. So that was a great purchase. It does die back, but it comes back with more blooms. Like the branches are dead. You can't even see them. These are all new branches. Like the old ones are deep in there, like right there. So the old branches, so you can't even see them. And then look at the daisies, so beautiful. You know I love me some reds and yellows. And these are some mini knockout rose. I think it's petite knockout rose, not mini. Yep, petite knockout rose. It's actually pushing the rose away because it got so much bigger than the rose. But I'll give you a garden tour once I'm done getting everything set up. So this is supposed to be an unboxing video. Now we end up outside. Let me go back inside because it's cold. Oh, but looky, I'm so excited. So bye evergreen. On my arborvitaes, I'm gonna get y'all transplanted once it warms up. And since I just got these, normally I just put them outside in the garden to let them get acclimated with the weather. Not too sure how petunias do in 20-degree weather. I haven't tested them in 20. They have been tested in 30s, and they do fine in 30s since they're brand new. I don't want to put them outside and have them die on me. So we're going to put them in the garage next to the other ones. Actually, I can put the blueberries and the blackberries outside. They like the cold. In fact, they need some chill hours. So let me put them outside. So not too sure about placement. I may or may not keep them there. Like I said, I may put them over there once I move the green stalk. Probably like in March. They're going to go in a container. I don't have a container for them yet. Oops, stepped on my alyssum. There's flowers coming up everywhere. Oh my goodness. When I say they did such a good job in packaging, they did a really good job. Like sometimes I got stuff from online and they deliver them. They're not well packaged. But this one, oh my gosh, the roots are coming out the bottom. So we don't have too much longer in the spot. But I won't be potting them up today. Probably not. Maybe this weekend. We're going to need to do some more research because this was an impulse buy. On blackberries. Like, are they bushes? Do they need a vine? Oh. So we're gonna do some more research on that and determine if they're vining plants. If they're vining plants, I'm gonna have to remove them from the front. My blueberry looks like she got a shower cap on, y'all. Look at that. Cute. Well, all these plants are very hydrated. Excellent packaging. Excellent directions to the delivery people. All right, so those are the two that I purchased from, like I said, I purchased them online from Southern Living directly. I couldn't find them in store. I heard that Hello Darling is good for our Florida climate, so I wanted to get her. And like I said, the Blackberry was an impulse purchase. I'm like, ooh, I like blackberries, so come on. But look at that, I got flowers, y'all. So this is a different variety from the ones I have in the back. The ones I have in the back are rabbit eye. This one is, was it a the southern high bush, and a rabbit eye is a different variety, so it wouldn't pollinate together anyways. I think I need to move it because if I put this one over there like I was planning on doing, where the green stalk is in the way, they'll be not properly, but they will be better able to pollinate each other. It's not too far away from each other, but I'll leave it for now. I'll leave it right here, and then later on I'll come back and finalize the area that I want it in, because like I said, the fruit trees is not even in the containers yet. You know what? I could put that blueberry in the container. You know what, guys? Let me flip you around. You know what? I am being indecisive, so I will figure it out and I'll show it to you in my next video what I decided on doing. But it's cold, my brain is frozen. But I want to say thank you for following me along and unboxing my new plants with me. I have some seeds I need to start planting and decide which ones I'm going to plant. I'll take you along for the ride on that one. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.